Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and I'm part of the marketing team at Cubeo AI. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI market segment analyzer. This AI agent will help you find new audiences, uncover niche markets, and refine your targeting. This is the prompt I will use. What we need is an AI agent that will help us identify new market segments by analyzing company details and researching industry trends. Let's try it. Our agent is now ready. First of all, we have to take a look at the tools it integrated. We have the tools for HubSpot, such as Find Company in HubSpot, HubSpot Create Company, of course the web scraper, all the tools for LinkedIn, such as Profile Scraper, People Search, and also Company Search, the Researcher, and the web browser. Also, let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description, which you can change. The AI model, you can also select another model if you like from all the models that are available in the platform. The AI assistant instructions, which are a bit more complex than the prompt that we have used, and the visibility, private or public. Now, let's put in our prompt. Now, this is the prompt. We want this agent to analyze Canva and suggest new market segments or audiences types they could target based on their current products, industry trends, and existing positioning as a design tools for non-designers. Now our AI agent is ready. Let's take a look at the research. Here you can see the process that it went through. And we have the top 3 recommended market segments: healthcare visual communication, legal industry document design, and real estate marketing automation. We have other information such as core products and services, also info about leadership and organizational capabilities, industry landscape, competitive intelligence, and the identified market segments. And we have the first one. It gathered information about target customers, opportunities, and also the competition level, and of course entry strategy. The other segment, we also have target customers, opportunity, and here the competition level is low. And for the third one, the real estate, other strategic recommendations, research allocation because it's really important, success metrics, and the implementation roadmap. Also data confidence and limitations, areas that require additional research, and confidence levels, basically which market would be better for Canva to target. And this analysis positions Canva to expand beyond its current general purpose design platform. These are all the steps you have to follow. Now you'll have new audience ideas and clear markets insights for your business. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more marketing tutorials for different use cases.